Welcome back to ABCD Trade Review. Diana here, your trader and analyst. A world markets roundup for June 27, 2026, UK, Europe, and Asia, the global headlines that matter, and how they can impact India, plus stocks like TL, BDL, DBL, CNL. Around the world this week, UK FTSE 100 plus 1.04%, Germany DAX minus 1.42%, Japan Nikkei minus 2.38%, Hong Kong HSI minus 6.75%, US S&P 500 to 0.89%, US Nasdaq minus 2.78%. UK, Europe, and Asian cues set the tone for our open, and a risk-on or risk-off mood overseas spills straight into Indian equities. Here's the sector read-through. Strong US tech lifts our IT names. Firmer crude helps upstream oil but hurts OMCs, paints, and aviation. A softer dollar and higher gold support metals and jewelry. And global risk-off pressures high beta and small caps first. I'll flag which sectors each headline hits. Now the headlines that can move the market. 1. Indian shares set to pause after oil-led rally. 2. Indian shares set to rise as US-Iran talks progress, oil eases. 3. Indian shares set to fall after recent rally, IT in focus, after Accenture results. 4. Indian shares set for muted start as Fed rate hike projection offsets oil slump. 5. Indian shares open flat as US rate hike bets offset oil relief. 6. Indian shares extend gains on US-Iran peace deal. Watch how these themes play out and manage your risk. Why it's on the list. It's down minus 4.88% today on 0.8 times its average volume. The trend is sideways. RSI has room to run before it's overbought, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. TIL fell minus 4.88% on roughly average volume. The move looks driven by momentum and industrials flows. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 66, neutral. Support sits near 170.25 rupees and resistance near 232.67 rupees. On fundamentals, it's an industrials name. Market cap 16.44 billion rupees, PE around 3, revenue growth plus 7%, profit margin minus 10%. Short term, it's below the 232.67 rupees entry, minus 10.87%. Target 1 at 349.00 rupees is plus 68% away, and target 2 at 465.34 rupees about plus 124%. Watch 232.67 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 174.32 rupees and 232.67 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 163.56 rupees to 398.65 rupees, and it's near the 19% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 232.67 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 349.00 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 465.34 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 170.25 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. If this breakdown on TL helped, hit like and subscribe. Join our free Telegram for real-time entry and exit alerts, link in the description, and comment your own target for TL below. Why it's on the list. It's down minus 1.09% today on 0.5 times its average volume. The trend is sideways, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. BDL fell minus 1.09% on light volume, 0.5x average. The move looks driven by momentum and industrials flows. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 72, Overbought. Support sits near 1,160.30 rupees and resistance near 1,466.90 rupees. On fundamentals, it's industrial's name. Market cap 498.89 billion rupees, PE around 118, revenue growth minus 73%, profit margin plus 17%. Short term, it's below the 1,373.40 rupees entry, minus 0.36%. Target 1 at 2,060.10 rupees is plus 51% away, and Target 2 at 2,746.80 rupees about plus 101%. Watch 1,373.40 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 1,160.30 rupees and 1,406.70 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 1,096.60 rupees to 1,977.36 rupees, and it's near the 31% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 1,373.40 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at Target 1, 2,060.10 rupees, then the rest toward Target 2, 2,746.80 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 1,160.30 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Like and subscribe for more setups like BDL. Jump into our free Telegram in the description for live entry and exit alerts, and tell me in the comments what you'd do with BDL. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 0.90% today on 1.1 times its average volume. The trend is sideways, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. DBL rose plus 0.90% on roughly average volume, with news in focus. DILIP BUILDCON Ltd, BM. 540047, Q3 2026 earnings call highlights, navigating challenges with. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 68, neutral. Support sits near 387.20 rupees and resistance near 487.35 rupees. On fundamentals, it's industrial's name. Market cap 73.99 billion rupees, PE around 5, revenue growth minus 26%, profit margin plus 14%. Short term, it's above the 454.90 rupees entry, plus 1.06%. Target 1 at 682.35 rupees is plus 48% away, and Target 2 at 909.80 rupees about plus 98%. Watch 454.90 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 416.25 rupees and 459.70 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 386.15 rupees to 575.45 rupees, and it's near the 39% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 454.90 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at Target 1, 682.35 rupees, then the rest toward Target 2, 909.80 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 387.20 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Enjoying the analysis? Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our free Telegram below for entry and exit alerts, and drop your view on DBL or any stock you want me to cover next in the comments. Keep an eye on global cues. They drive our open. Like and subscribe for more. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Trade safe. And here's what I want from you. Comment below where you think these stocks are headed next. Drop the future price you expect for any of them. Also tell me which ticker you want me to analyze next, and I'll share its entry, targets, levels, and full details in an upcoming video. And to get real-time entry and exit alerts the moment they happen, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below.